Hi, I'm Roman. I'm going to tell you about technology at Nutrier. In many countries, we use books for studying at school, but at Nutrier, we use iPads. Perhaps you use Schoology or Google Classroom or something else at your old school, but at Nutrier, you will mostly use an app called Canvas. Before you start school, you should get your iPad. But what if you have a question about how to use the iPad and the apps? The answer is the help desk. The help desk is located on the second floor in Winnetka campus. You can go there and ask them questions about the internet and iPads, and they will help you. You will use Canvas for your study material and homework submission. As you can see, this is a dashboard. It's like a home page where you can see your classes, groups, and your grades. Also, you can see your grades in the calendar. The calendar is very useful. It helps you to see your homework and when this homework is due. You can scroll and swipe to see your homework and also your different classes. The to-do list also helps you to see your homework, missing work, and incomplete work. When it's incomplete, you should check the comments under that assignment. Next, we will talk about comments from your teacher. The comments under assignment are important because they will help you to finish your assignment correctly. You should go to your assignment and see if there is comments because there is a way teacher can talk to us. But if you have a question, you can also send a message to a teacher. Sending a message to your teacher isn't too hard. First, you should pick the inbox on the top or bottom, then click the plus on the left side in the top. When you're ready to send a message to the teacher, you just pick the subject and reason why are you writing to the teacher. Always be respectful to the teacher when you're sending the messages. It took me about 1 week to understand all the technology at Nutrier, and I hope this video will help you get started. Thank you for watching the video, like and subscribe.